Hello guys, this is Mr. Video Dude Channel Vlogs here back to you with another new vlog, and this is Coach vlog number 155. Yep, so I'm 25 more vlogs down, or 45 I see, yep, for 200 vlogs, yep. So of course, yep, and of course it is also Tuesday, when I film this, by the time I release this, it'll also be Thursday, yep. So Tuesday, yep, English, yep. So yeah. So course it's course choosing a film this up, and of course yeah. So course hope everyone is having a good week. Yep, I swim. Yep, yeah, but I'll just back for your walk. I will to 3 hour part of it as always. So awesome. Yep. Yeah, we did enjoy it. That's the first walk. With my the neighborhood in about I think it was 2 weeks ago. It was just before Christmas. When on my last walk in CCU. Yep. Oh yeah. But anyway, yep. So it's just of course the plan for the tea is for now I'll be relaxing and then we'll see. I also hoping to hit back into the city later, but of course a lot to show about that yet, but of course yeah, Black keep me posted. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. And of course yeah, and of course before the walk I've also figured out my tried my expression machine on my own for the first time. Yep. Yep, and of course, I did a good job of getting my special ready in the market. Then I just got my hot chocolate ready afterwards. Yep, yep, and then yeah, and then I just mixed in the hot chocolate and hot water with the especially then of course I think I did a good job getting ready, and of course yeah, and of course the the hot chocolate special, which actually very awesome. Yep, it actually tasted like a hot chocolate. Yep, we especially in the just like it's over teams and the Starbucks. Yep, but of course yep, because at least now that I'm here all over daily screen I I don't hate to go into teams or Starbucks all the time to drink my drinks with special. Yep, because I still do that when I'm over at mom's. So yep, since mom is much closer to Starbucks and teams said it is from here. Yep, yep. Yep. Although, yeah, but actually, I can actually get the teams in Maryland on a bike from here though. Yep. Oh yeah. Yes, indeed. Yep. Because yep, but allow me just do that the rest of the week. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh, but anyway, yeah. So of course, yeah. Because other than that, it's also starting to cool down. See, yep, it's cooling down -6 or -7 degrees out, and we just play about the mid -10. So yep, because it not been and the temperatures are in the -10s with the winters with about -20. Yep, and because all the and of course on news last night I watched one local Boston the TV stations last night and of course yeah, and of course I saw on the news that since it be cold in New England Boston Boston and North and South um the the government and other like other people other companies like schools or whatever they'll be shutting down schools and like government buildings or whatever to the cold. Yep. Yep. And of course and I guess many people in New England are used to the cold air. Yep. But of course, but of course, But of course, the difference between living here in Canada and in the US is that the cold air isn't too common over there. Yep, over the US than it is here. Yep. So I guess it's common for them to close this schools and I guess government buildings down or whatever in US over here since we Canadians are more used to it. Yep. Oh yeah. Since Canada is course it's course up north and US is down south. Yep. Oh yeah. Indeed. Yep. So course but that is some that I learned uh yeah last night. Yep. Oh yeah. Indeed. Yep. Yes, but of course, by the time I release this, will be already out of the cold. Yep. But of course, of course, how's everyone enjoying how's everyone liking the cold in throughout not, throughout Eastern North America? Yep. Yep, comment down below. Are you enjoying it or are you not enjoying it? Yep, yep. And of course, and also with this cold we also don't have any we have very little snow on the ground since you New Zealand and I guess the Maritimes and the Eastern US don't have much snow either. Yep. Oh yeah. That's since we had mowing data snow leading up, but of course, I'm really hoping that the pattern changes very soon. It gets more snow than the rain toward the rest of the winter months. Yep, yep. Oh yeah, indeed, because I really do miss the snow. Yep. Oh yeah, and of course, every also needs to know with Marty's with, teams. Yep. After the snow. Yep. Oh yeah. Indeed. Yep. But anyway, yeah. But of course, anyway, yeah. But I've been talking now for 8 minutes. So I'll make sure go about my day, and I really hope that this vlog is is less than a half hour. Yep. Oh yeah, and I'll see next few clips will be shorter clips. Yep, promise you that. Since I'm already at just about 9 minutes, so I'll update you guys on the day. Yep. Alright, guys. I just got my guys kid read and water in my room now, and I'm just gonna put them in my fridge. Yep. And of course, yeah, so when we go to the grocery store and got them from me. Yep. Oh yeah, and of course, yeah, and now I'm in a full fridge in no time. Yep, and my berries always going down fast, so I won't do too much clips now. Alright guys, got all my drinks put in the fridge, and yeah. What do you guys think? Yup. Oh yeah, I think you did a good job. Yup. Oh yeah. I think you did a good job indeed. Yup. I just gotta see if I can put these two getaway drinks over here. Let's see now, just wish me luck. Okay guys, it's now it's getting the end of the day and the end of the vlog again guys. Yep, I just hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, yep. Yep, but of course, yeah, you know, I'll show you, I never did any vlogs while I was, while I was out and about earlier on my marks these, yep, but of course, yeah. But of course, yeah. But of course, one reason was because it was cold and I didn't want to keep my hands too wet. Yup. And another reason is that just I just want to have just enjoy it, yep. Oh yeah. And of course, yeah, but of course I never got to the city after 2, yep. Because hopefully I will try to try the rest of the week, yep. Oh yeah. Because not every day I can make it to the city, yep. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. Yes, indeed, yep. That is very noble. Yep. But because the only reason I'm able to go to see now is because is so I can go drive to try to see or go into the city for work or well that's before of course going shopping or in a restaurant, yep. Oh yeah. Indeed, yep. Because now like I said, we can I really go to the city for for drives and of course oh, and of course to just going to grocery shopping, yep. Oh yeah. Like eat ramen or whatever, yep. Oh yeah. So yeah. But of course, yeah, of course, that's pretty dull, just another day at home. Yeah. So just hope you enjoyed the vlog anyway. Don't know if you can hear the background or not, but my fridge is on at 1 full time, yep. Yep. So guess since I never had much drinks in the yesterday and I tried to breastfeed, I say it wasn't what it didn't have one that hard. It just ran for a few minutes, then it will cloud again, then it would do the same back and forth. But now that I got more drinks, you know, now I can just now it is one non-stop, keeping the drinks cool, as cold as possible. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep, and I'm also yawning now. Yep, since I'm also just a bit tired, but slightly tired, I see, but not bad. Yep. Yeah, now and I'm also working on the vlogging a bit later than I did yesterday. It is now 9:45 p.m. When I'm finally editing the vlog, and I'll probably be all done by I play around close to midnight. Yeah, depending on how long it takes me to get the vlog ready up. Oh yeah. Yes, but anyway, yeah, but I'll leave it there, guys. So just hope you enjoy the vlog. Okay, we start yawning. Yep. But I guess another reason for that is because I've been stayed up late for the past few weeks. Yep, and I'm going to bed around 1:30 or so. Yep. That's AM. Yep. And I'm sleeping till 10 AM, which is nice. Yep. Because soon enough, when I'm back to work, I'll be back to my back to my older schedule. Get up at 6:30. Yep. And that's pretty early. Yep. If I might say so myself. Yeah, but I'll leave it anyway. So just hope you enjoyed the vlog, and of course, we'll see you guys tomorrow. So over and out.